Hello and welcome to Quick Tip 92. I was asked how you would go about finding the bar number from the date time of a bar. So that's what we're going to be doing in this quick tip. We're going to be using the token list. So the first thing we need to do is make sure we've got the namespace that includes the token list, and we're going to set up the token list as a variable. Then in a one statement, we're going to create a token list named DTT list. We're going to clear the print log. Then what we're going to do at the end of each bar, in other words, bar status 1 is equal to 2, we're going to add a value to the token list called DTT list. And we do that using DTT list.add. And now this is expecting a string. So what we've done is put bar datetime dot to string. So that is adding to the token list. And then what we're going to do is print out for every bar on the chart effectively the date time, the bar date time to string, so that information will be the same but formatted a little differently, the count, the number of elements in the token list, then the bar number. And then at the very end we're going to print some information just to see if this thing has actually worked, because what we can do is with the token list functionality we can say IndexOf. So if we say DTT list dot IndexOf and then we put in a specific datetime to string value, then that will return the bar number. Well, not quite the bar number. We need to add one to that. So we'll test that out at the end. What I've done is just chosen a few numbers at random, and we'll see what we get as a result. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to Control R, and we'll look at first of all the print statement. So as we said, we've got the date time, then we've got the date time from the bar date time, then we've got the number of elements in the token list, then we have got the bar number. Okay, so let's have a look at a specific value that I put in. So the 12th of the 5th 510, that's saying that's the first bar on the chart. Well, it's saying first of all there is a value, true, and it's saying it's the first bar on the chart. So let's just have a look, go back to beginning of the chart, and you'll see indeed the first bar there is the 512.1710. Let's just double check that. 512 at 510 1710, it's the same. Okay, so the next one we're going to look at this 514 24 1145, and that's saying that it is the 500 bar. So let's have a look at the bar number 500, and indeed again you'll see that we have 514 at 1145, so that adds up. And then finally we've got one here, 515 920, and that should be the 747 bar. So let's just have a look, and 515 920, and indeed it is the 747 bar. So there we have this program, this quick tip. It's just a technique that might be useful to you. I had a little bit of extra functionality here. What I did was immediately when we added it to the bar, I queried the token list by taking the bar number and subtracting one this time. And so what you will find, if I verify program and go to the chart, you will see that this last piece of information here will be the same as the one at the start of the print statement. Anyway, hopefully that's useful. If this sort of thing interests you, then please go to markplex.com and join the email list, and also subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you very much.